Welcome to my channel mga guaps. Things that we need for our DOL lip balm or Vaseline. Any color of the lip you want. Vanilla for fragrance or flavor. Vitamin E and an empty container. Alright, to start with, just get a teaspoonful of Vaseline. Vaseline will help soothe your lips and may prevent the urge to crack. It will also help to restore soft and smooth lips as well. With the color of your choice, just cut a little amount. And let it melt about 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, just add 1 capsule of vitamin E. Vitamin E also helps the healing process in the skin. I need this mga guaps because I sometimes have a cracked lips. You can add flavor if you want to. Then transfer it to the empty container while it's warm. Let it cool down and we're done. Alright mga guaps, if you're going to make your own lip balm, make sure to put vitamin E in it. You know, it's very important to our skin. And also you can choose whatever color you want. Darker than this, mine is beige from Maybelline. I use lip balm on my lips because dry talaga siya and I can help myself to bite it. Hindi ako titigil hanggat hindi siya nagsusugat. So I really need this one. If I don't have any lip balm, I use Vaseline itself. It's still a big help. And yes, a tip from me, mga guaps, just make your own lip balm instead of buying expensive ones. Alright, so hope this one helped. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Welcome. Yes, leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Again, thank you. God bless everyone.